Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks. My YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to disable or enable offload unused apps in iPhone. If you want to disable or enable offload unused apps in iPhone, first of all go into your iPhone setting. Now click on general setting. Now here you will see iPhone storage. Now click on iPhone storage. Now after clicking on iPhone storage, you will see an option offload unused apps. If you want to enable it, it will what it will does automatically offload unused apps when you are low on your storage. Your document and data will be saved. So if you want to enable it, now click on enable. Just click on enable and offload unused apps has been enabled. So if you want to disable it, you cannot disable it from here. You have to go back into your setting, and here you have to scroll down and click on iTunes and App Store. Now click on iTunes and App Store. Now here you will see an offload unused apps option. Now you have to disable it from here. So like this you can enable and disable offload unused apps in your iPhone. So if you like this video, you please like this video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.